Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about types of vegetables. First one is classification of vegetables. The squash family, roots and tubers, seeds and pods, pulses or legumes. The cabbage family, stems, stalks and shoots. The onion family, fruits, vegetables, leafy greens. Next one is squash family or gourds family, that is shallots, cucumber, squashes in winter, acorn, banana, butternut, pumpkin in summer, junchi, yellow junchi. Next one is roots vegetables, are those grown underground. They are directly connected to the plant via leaves or leaf stems. Next one is tuber vegetables, are connected to the root stems and systems. However, they are not directly connected to the stem and leaf systems of plant. Types of root vegetables is beetroots, carrot, celery roots, parsnips, radishes, rutabagas, turnips and water chestnut. Next one, types of tuber vegetables is potato, mealy, waxy, rosettes, red, yukon and sweet potatoes. Next one is qualities and characteristics of potatoes. All varieties of potatoes should be heavy and firm, without soft spots, green color or sprouting eyes. Sweet potatoes should have a dry looking orange and golden orange skins. Avoid sweet potatoes with softened ends. This marks the beginning of spoilage. Other potatoes should have dry, tight skins without wrinkles. Next one is market forms of potatoes. First one is fresh, canned, frozen, dehydrated. Next one is seeds and pods. First corn, okra, legumes, fresh beans, green beans, haricot wort, pieces, pulses, dried beans. This is pulses varieties. Next one, types of legumes. Legumes are the group of plants that have a double seamed pods containing a single row of seeds. Pulses, dried seeds of legumes. Nutrients, excellent source of complex carbohydrates, protein and soluble fiber. Next, types of pulses: black beans, black-eyed peas, lentils, red kidney beans, pinto beans, great northern beans. Next, qualities and characteristics of legumes: should be brightly colored and uniformly sized, should not be marketed, shriveled, damaged or broken. Next, the storings of legumes: store in a cool, dark, dry places with a good ventilation. Keep opened package in airtight, moisture-proof containers. Next is checking and soaking of legumes. Remove any shriveled and discolored legumes, stems and pebbles. Rinse legumes in cold water until water is clear. Soak legumes according to the directions, removing floaters. Next is cooking of legumes. Soak legumes overnight in 3 times their volume of water in the refrigeration, or soak legumes for 1 hour in 212 degree Fahrenheit of water. Bring the legumes and cooking liquid to a simmer. Cooking times range from 30 minutes to 3 hours. Test for doneness. Next one is cabbage family is a wide range of vegetables used for their heads, flowers or leaves. The types of cabbage families: bok choy, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cauliflowers, head cabbage, kale, coluberry, napa cabbage, savoy. Next one is onion families or bulb onions, garlic, leeks, scallions, shallots. Next is stems, stalks and shoots, artichokes, asparagus, bamboo shoots, celery, fennel, hearts of palm, nopals. Next one is fruit vegetables, avocados, eggplants, peppers, hot or sweet, tomatoes and tomatoes. Next leafy vegetables are collard, mustard, sorrel, spinach, Swiss chard, turnip greens, lettuces. Next mushroom, there are 2000 varieties of mushrooms eaten throughout around the world. Their size and shape vary and color can range from the black to white. Their cap can be pitted, smooth, honeycomb or ruffled. Their taste can range from rich to bland, nutty and earthy. It's called the meat for vegetarian. Types of mushrooms are portobello, butter mushrooms, chanterelle, porcini, morel, oyster mushrooms, straw mushrooms, donkey, shiitake. The mushrooms and truffles are though the mushrooms are often grouped with vegetables and fruits, they are actually fungi. For that reason, they are in a class of their own. Nutritionally speaking, mushrooms do share some of the benefits of fruits and vegetables. They are low in calories, have no cholesterol and are virtually free of fat and sodium. Mushroom stands alone when it comes to some of the essential minerals and B complex vitamins not easily found in the produce. In addition, some contains substances that might prove to be useful in the treatment of prevention of serious diseases. Next one, baby vegetables are a variety of vegetables that include both hybrids bred with the two miniatures and regular varieties pickled before maturity. The guidelines for selection of vegetables. Now, purchasing of vegetables are sold by weight and count, packed in lugs, bushels, flats, crate. Some common vegetables can be purchased pre-processed, trimmed, cleaned, cut to specification. As the storing of vegetables are starchy vegetables stored in dry locations between 60 degree Fahrenheit to 70 degree Fahrenheit. Other vegetables are stored at a refrigerated temperature of 41 degree Fahrenheit or below. Store vegetables away from the fruits that emit ethylene gas. The gas will cause continued ripening and possible decay. Hotly vegetables are best stored at a cool temperature 40 degree Fahrenheit to 60 degree Fahrenheit. More delicate vegetables are best stored at 34 degree Fahrenheit to 40 degree Fahrenheit. A separate produce cooler is best. Next, irradiated vegetables are processed using ionizing radiations to sterilize food and destroy bacteria, pasturage and insects. Does not affect the taste and structure of the food. Next, preservation of vegetables: canned, frozen and dried. First one is canned vegetables. Raw vegetables are cleaned and placed in sealed container. They are subjected to high heat, grading, Use grade A or fancy. Use grade B or extra selected. Use grade C or standard. Canned vegetables are purchased in cases of standard sizes cans. Next is frozen vegetables, almost as convenient as canned, severely inhibited to the growth of the microorganisms that causes spoilage, grading the same as canned. Individual quick frozens. Next is dried vegetables and dramatically. Next is cooking and its effect on vegetables. First one is flavor. May turn vegetables bitter when overcooked. Strong and pungent vegetables will melon as well as sweeten. Next one is texture. Softer vegetables to make it easier to eat and digest in most cases. Odor gives off a distinctive aroma and at times an undesirable smells. For example, cabbage sulfur. Color change will occur depending on the types of pigments they have. Some vegetables will oxidize, therefore discolor, or heat and other chemicals will change the color. Next one is nutrients. Vegetables are a good sources of nutrients that is the body need for nourishment. Next is standards of quality in cooked vegetables. First one is color, bright natural color, appearance on plate, cut neatly and uniformly. Flavor, full natural flavor and sweetness, something called garden fresh flavor. Next one is seasoning, lightly and approximately seasoned. Structure, cooked to the right degree of the doneness. Most vegetables should crisp, tender, not overcooked and mushy, but not tough or widely either. Sauces, butter and seasoned butters should be fresh and not used heavily. Vegetables should not be greasy. Creamy sauces and other sauces should not be too thick or too heavy seasoned. Vegetables combinations, interesting combinations attract customer. Flavor, color and shapes should be pleased in combinations. Next, guidelines in achieving proper doneness in vegetables. Do not overcook. Cook as close to serve as possible. If vegetables must be cooked in advance, slightly undercook them. For uniformly doneness, cut into uniform size before cooking. Do not mix batches of cooked vegetables. Next, controlling of flavor changes. Cook for short a time as possible. Use boiling salted water. Additions of salt helps reduce flavor losses. Stem vegetables whenever appropriate. Use only enough water to cover to minimize leaching.